Top 5 Best Rooftop Tents for Camping. 1. Plow and Hearth 52127 Weather-resistant straight hardwood pathway. Roll out our straight hardwood pathway and stay high and dry while crossing damp or muddy ground. Naturally weather-resistant hardwood planks are joined with wire and rubber spacers to create these portable, easy-to-use walkways. 2. GPCA Cargo Cover Pro. Flexible configurations cover, organize, and protect your cargo area from backseat to the tailgate under your hardtop/soft top, patent pending, provides complete privacy for your cargo area. 3. Coleman 2-person pop-up tent. Great for festivals and car camping, the Coleman 2-person pop-up tent sets up in as little as 10 seconds, letting you get back to the fun. This camping tent is uniquely designed with pre-assembled poles, allowing the tent to pop into place in a snap. 4. Tent Rooftop Car Shelter for Beach. Large shade. The SUV tent has different shade area for different use, 60 plus square foot to 76 plus square foot. Size 124 x 84.6, large enough to cover table, chairs, coolers, pets. 5. Automatic folding remote control car. Asterisk easy to use, 8 seconds for opening, 30 seconds for installation. Asterisk first protection windproof. The 6 windproof rope with hook in the four-corner ensured the stability of the car umbrella. Asterisk the second protection windproof. The half-fixed connection between tent and ribs prevent the ribs from damage. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.